Bitcoin money cost certainly equivalent to $125.88 a coin. Incredibly, the present exchanged cost range, $125.14–127.14, or so they sort of thought. The earlier day close, $126.36 in an unpretentious way. The change explicitly was 0.48, 0.38%. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Backwards rate, United States dollars to BCH in a by and large huge manner. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $122, truly greatest 131, least 113. Which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $120, kind of most extreme 128, especially least 112, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $121, lovely most extreme 129, especially least 113. Essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, walk 9, cost $119, kind of most extreme 127, least 111 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost $118, really most extreme 126, certainly least 110. In multi-week Bitcoin money figure on Monday, walk 13, cost $121, genuinely most extreme 129, really least 113 in an exceptionally significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $121, beautiful greatest 129, truly least 113, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $116, for the most part greatest 124. Least 108. In every way that really matters, further appearance how in multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, walk 13, cost $121, most extreme 129, beautiful least 113. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $114, truly greatest 122, for the most part least 106. Or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $111, most extreme 119, truly least 103, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $110, sort of greatest 118, in every way that really matters, least 102. So Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $122 in every practical sense, most extreme 131, certainly least 113. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $117, especially most extreme 125, kind of least 109. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $117, greatest 125, least 109, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, walk 23, cost $120, by and large most extreme 128, least 112 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $124, especially most extreme 133. Kind of least 115 in an all things considered, significant way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost $119, exceptionally most extreme 127, really least 111 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $126, especially greatest 135, really least 117. Further appearance how Bitcoin money value sort of equivalent to $125.88 a coin, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $128, genuinely most extreme 137, in every way that really matters, least 119 in a very enormous way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $129, most certainly greatest 138. Extremely least 120 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, walk 31, cost $128, extremely greatest 137, certainly least 119 in an essentially significant way. In about a month, Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $128, essentially most extreme 137, certainly least 119, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost $123, by and large greatest 132, sort of least 114, which especially shows that in 3 weeks Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, walk 27, cost $119, genuinely most extreme 127, least 111, which especially is very critical. United States dollars to BCH conversion standard equivalent to 0.7944 coins per $100, especially further appearance. How in about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $128, kind of greatest 137, kind of least 119, which really is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.7865 0.7991, or so they truly thought. The past day's nearby, 0.7914, change for now plus 0.0030, plus 0.38%. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.820 coins, truly most extreme 0.885, essentially least 0.763, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.833 coins, most certainly greatest 0.893, essentially least 0.781 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.826 coins, sort of greatest 0.885, really least 0.775. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.840 coins, truly greatest 0.901, genuinely least 0.787, which for the most part is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, walk 10, cost 0.847 coins, kind of most extreme 0.909, by and large least 0.794. Which basically shows that the past day's nearby, 0.7914, or so they thought. In multi-week United States dollars to BCH expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.826 coins, really greatest 0.885, for the most part least 0.775, which certainly is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.826 coins, genuinely greatest 0.885, especially least 0.775, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.862 coins, especially most extreme 0.926, by and large least 0.806, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate